Want to make money using AI without quitting your job, coding, or spending a dime? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 free tools you can use to start a real AI-powered side hustle, even if you're just getting started. Welcome back to HumanOS, where we help you adapt smarter in the age of AI. If you're curious about new tech, feeling behind, or ready to pivot your skills, this channel's for you. Let's dive into 5 beginner-friendly side hustles that actually work. And every tool I mention is free to try. First up, freelance writing with AI. If you can write emails, organize thoughts clearly, or tell a story, this is for you. Free tools like Writer and Jenny.ai help you quickly draft blog posts, ad copy, and even product descriptions. You can start by offering services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and as you gain confidence, pitch directly to small businesses. The AI helps with first drafts, but your voice, editing, and judgment still matter, and that's where the value is. Next, resume and cover letter services. Millions of job seekers struggle with writing strong resumes. If you've ever helped a friend polish theirs, you already have a skill. Use tools like Kick Resume and Teal to generate sharp, tailored resumes and cover letters. They have free tiers that help you craft professional documents fast. Combine that with a human touch, your feedback and formatting, and you've got a side hustle with a real demand. Number 3, voiceover services using AI. Not everyone likes the sound of their own voice, but AI voice generators don't mind. With free tools like TTS Maker or even limited use versions of 11 Labs, you can create realistic voiceovers for YouTube intros, podcast ads, or explainer videos. Start by practicing with your own scripts, then offer sample clips on freelance sites. Many creators or small brands need audio content but can't afford studio prices. Side hustle 4, social media content creation. Small businesses and solo entrepreneurs are always behind on social content. With ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, captions, and even full calendars. Use Canva's free version to make simple but polished posts and then batch them for clients. You don't need to be a marketing pro, just show that you can consistently create helpful, engaging content. Offer flat rate packages to keep it simple. And here's number 5, digital product creation. This one has long-term potential. Use free AI tools to create templates, planners, or mini guides, then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Notion Market. For example, build a personal finance tracker in Notion and turn it into a downloadable product. Or write a short guide on something you know well, like remote job hunting or productivity tips, and bundle it with ChatGPT prompts. No inventory, no shipping, just value. The key across all of these? Start small. Don't wait for perfection. Use AI as your co-pilot and focus on solving real problems. The world is changing fast, but that doesn't mean you have to be left behind. These tools are free, accessible, and made for people just like you. So, which of these side hustles sounds most doable? Let me know in the comments, and if you've already tried one, share your experience. Your story might help someone else get started. Coming up next, I'll walk through how to use these tools together in a simple weekly workflow, so you can stay consistent without burning out. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.